November 9012 Mike, turn right heading 040, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
We still need to do our run-up, 912 Mike.
912 Mike, roger, advise when ready.
Advise when ready, 912 Mike.
Operations are in effect. Use caution for bird activity in the vicinity of the airport. Taxiway Alpha 4. Madison Airport Information India, 1853 Zulu. Temperature -13, dew point -22, altimeter 3049er. Visual approach in use, landing and departing runways 36 and 32. Noticed airmen land and hold short operations are in effect. Use caution for bird activity in the vicinity of the airport. Taxiway Alpha 4. Advise on initial contact, give information India.
Aviation ready to taxi.
Madison Airport Information India, 1853 Zulu. Wind 320 at 14, gust 19er. Visibility 10. Dew clouds 3,400. Temperature -13, dew point -22, altimeter 3049er. Visual approach in use, landing and departing runways 36 and 32. Noticed airmen land and hold short operations are in effect. Use caution for bird activity in the vicinity of the airport. Taxiway Alpha 4, surface markings non-standard. Advise on initial contact, give information in.
Madison clearance, good afternoon, Centurion 5300 Alpha with India going to Milwaukee.
Centurion 5300 Alpha, Madison clearance delivery, full route clearance, advise ready to copy.
Ready to copy.
Centurion 00 Alpha, clear to Milwaukee Airport via direct Krenna, Kilo, Romeo, Echo, November, Alpha, direct. Maintain 5,000, departure frequency 120.1, squawk 5302.
Cleared to Milwaukee via Krenna, direct, 5,000, 120.1 and 5302.
November 142 Uniform Delta, taxi via Bravo, Juliet, hold short of runway 32. Cessna 00 Alpha, I missed part of that read back. Could you go ahead and read back the squawk code?
Yes, ma'am. Squawk is 5302 for Centurion 00 Alpha.
Centurion 00 Alpha, read back correct.
Roger. And Centurion 00 Alpha, 5300 Alpha, we're at Wisconsin Aviation, ready for taxi.
Centurion 5300 Alpha, Madison ground, runway 32, taxi via hotel.
Hotel 32, 5300 Alpha.
Citation 680 Alpha Juliet, Madison clearance delivery, cleared to Santa Rosa Airport as filed. Maintain 5,000, expect level 40010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 135.45, squawk 1366. Citation 680 Alpha Juliet, read back correct.
Ground Delta 1556 taxi with India.
Delta 1556, Madison ground, runway 36, taxi via Alpha.
Yeah.
TBM 8 Kilo Foxtrot, contact departure, good day.
Departure, good day for 8 Kilo Fox.
Cessna 5300 Alpha, runway 32, line up and wait.
Okay, just another minute for run-up here.
Roger, hold short runway 32, advise when ready.
Oh, sure, roger.
November 4 Delta Echo, turn right on Charlie, contact ground point 9er.
Right on Charlie, ground point 9, Delta. Okay, all set?
Yeah.
Okay. And tower 530 Alpha, we're ready now at 32.
November 5300 Alpha, roger, runway 32, line up and wait, traffic crossing downfield.
Line up and wait 32, Centurion 530 Alpha.
Madison Tower, Skyhawk 140 Uniform Delta is with you on the left base.
November 140 Uniform Delta, Madison Tower, runway 32, continue, traffic holding in position.
Continue for runway 32 for 140 Uniform Delta.
November 5300 Alpha, wind 34014, turn right heading 040, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Heading 040, clear for takeoff 32, Centurion 530 Alpha.
Cessna 0 Uniform Delta, runway 32, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 32 for 140 Uniform Delta.
Traffic. Traffic not available.
November 5300 Alpha, contact departure, good day.
Departure 0 Alpha, good day. Departure Centurion 530 Alpha through 16 for 5,000, heading's going to be 040.
Centurion 5300 Alpha, Madison departure, radar contact, turn right direct Reno.
Direct Reno 530 Alpha.
And is a 1-2 Mike contact, Rockford approach 121.0.
121.0, good day.